In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a donation or PayPal section in GoDaddy Site Builder. To get started, open GoDaddy Site Builder and go into the page editor for the website you want to update. This is the area where you can visually make changes to your site. So once you're there, navigate to the page where you want the donation option to appear. It's a good idea to think about placement before adding anything. For example, donation sections often work well on a home page, a support page, or a dedicated fundraising page, where visitors can clearly understand the purpose of the payment button. Once you're in the editor, click Add Section. This will open the list of available content sections you can place on the page. From there, look for the Donations option or the PayPal option, depending on what your version of Site Builder shows. These sections are designed to make it easy to accept contributions or payments without having to build anything manually. After selecting the donation or PayPal category, choose the section layout that best fits your site. You may see a few different design styles, and the main thing to consider here is how the section will look alongside the rest of your content. Pick the layout that feels the clearest and most natural for your visitors. A clean layout usually performs best because it keeps the call to action easy to spot. Next, enter your payment details such as your PayPal email address in the required field. Make sure these details are accurate because this is what connects the button or donation form to the correct account. It's worth double checking everything before moving on, especially if this section will be used by customers, supporters, or donors right away. If there are any optional text fields, keep your wording simple and clear so visitors know exactly what the payment is for. When everything looks good, click Done to save the section. Then publish your website so the changes go live. Publishing is the final step that makes the new donation or PayPal section visible to your visitors. After the site is live, it's a smart idea to preview the page and test the section yourself to confirm it appears correctly and sends visitors to the right payment destination. And that's it. You've successfully added a donation or PayPal section in GoDaddy Site Builder, making it easier for visitors to support your site or complete a payment.